Hello guys, so today we're going to talk about how to upload one of the different sound sources from the Go-Go song, cover song, the tracks, and upload them into Soundtrap so you can use them as your background for your Go-Go song. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously listen to all four of them. I kind of gravitated towards number 3. Okay, and it doesn't matter which one. You're going to double click on that song. You're going to double click and you're going to go to save as audio as. It's going to have some weird name. You can keep that name or you can change it. For today's purposes, I'll change it. I'll just call it GoGoTrack 3. And then we're going to just save, make sure it's going to go in your downloads. Save. Okay, so GoGoTrack 3 is now saved. We're now going to go into Soundtrap. And we're going to enter the studio. We don't need to worry about that. So we're going to create a new project. And then we have the options: browse music, patterns, play the synth, add new track, import, invite a friend. We're going to go to import file. And you're going to be able to choose one. Now, this is taking me to this PC's downloads. I have a lot more in my downloads than you have, but I remember that I called this GoGoTrack 3. Boom, it's right there. We're going to open it. And it's going to upload. Okay. Remember, the space between the two arrows is what you're going to hear looping. So continue that as far as you need to. I'd say go to the end. Your Go-Go song won't have to be that long, but it's better safe than sorry. Okay. The other good thing with this project, this is a long one. The other good thing with this project is that you do not need any more loops. Okay, just use the single one that's on there. And then when you're ready to go with your nursery rhyme, you can add your voice to it. Okay. So that's step 1. Also, once you've done that, you're going to want to share that to me with me. Label it so you can call it GoGoTrack. And then you can put your name, and then you'd share it. And this is not the final copy. This is just what you're sharing with me for today. Once it's saved. Time, taking time, all of the time. I'm almost there. And then you'd put in my name, which is, again, Morgan. Oh, I can't even spell my name. Brockman. It should be right there. Okay. That's all you got to do. An invite. Okay. Cool. Hope that helps you out, guys.